If you're just getting started with our software, then this video is for you. So there are a few things you're going to need to do. The first thing is to figure out whether you're going to need a new company setting up. If you are joining a company as an employee or a subcontractor, that's not necessary. All you need to do is get someone in that company who's an admin to send an invite. And the way they do that is through the users page. So please ask them to go ahead and send the invite. If you are setting up a company for the first time, you'll need to get in touch with our support team. We'll usually run you through a demo and then we'll send out an invite to you in the same way. Either way, you'll then have to register an account. So you'll click the link in the invite email. You'll be taken to a page like this one that you see here on the dashboard, and you're going to fill in the relevant details. So you'll put in your name and your password and register your account. Then you should be able to access the dashboard, assuming you've been given that level of permission, and you can start to do things like create jobs. If you've been invited to a company, you may not necessarily have been given dashboard access. Maybe that person just wants you to have mobile access, but either way, you're still going to need to register your user account on the dashboard. So once you've done this, you have an account set up and you can use the same login credentials to log in to the mobile app. So this step is only required if you're going to be doing on-site surveying work and if your company administrator has allocated you a mobile license. So assuming you are going to be doing site work, you then need to download the mobile app. So open up your device, which you're going to be using, whether it's a phone or a tablet, iOS or Android device, and then you'll need to navigate to the Google Play Store if it's an Android device, or the App Store if it's an iOS device. You'll see something like this. I've actually already navigated to the Google Play Store. I search for Flow Mobile Surveying to find the app, and then we can install it like so. So once you've done that, you can open up the app and use the same login credentials that you used to register on the dashboard to log in to the mobile app. So those are the first two steps. Like I say, the second step might not be required if you're not going to be doing the site work, but everyone has to register on the dashboard. That's the first step I mentioned. So once you've done this, the next thing to do is to get to grips with the software. So we have loads of great tutorials on YouTube and walkthrough videos. I would suggest you check those out. You can access them through flowmobile.app/knowledgebase. So from here, if you scroll down to the bottom, we have various walkthroughs for different disciplines. So for example, if you're an asbestos surveyor, I would suggest you go into here and then watch this full walkthrough video. Alternatively, you can book a demo with us. We always suggest booking a demo if possible, because it is an opportunity to ask questions as you go through it. You can see the book a demo link on our website here. I should just point out that the book a demo option usually is for when you're first starting. We tend to demo to groups in the beginning. We don't do one-to-one demos, so speak to your company administrator about that, but you've always got the walkthrough video to look at as well. So check that out, get to grips with the software, and then the next thing you want to do is to do a dummy survey of your house or your office. This is a kind of no risk opportunity to get to grips with the software. So try setting up a job on the dashboard, carrying out your dummy survey of your house or your office, and then creating the report and see how you get on with that. It's always better to learn by doing, I would say. So that is always my recommended approach to getting to grips with the software. And if you get stuck at any point in the way, we've got a great support team. You can contact us through our website, or if you're in the dashboard, there's an option in the nav bar where you can contact support. So if you need additional training or you're stuck with anything, we're always happy to help. So to recap, if you're just getting started, you're going to need to register your account on the dashboard. Make sure a company administrator has invited you first if this is an existing company. Then you'll need to download and install the app if you're going to be doing site work. Once you've got both of those sorted, you'll then need to get to grips with the software. So I'd suggest watching one of our walkthrough videos, or if you're just starting out and you want a group training session, you can book a demo from our website. And then the last thing to do is a dummy survey. This is always the best way to get to grips with things. If you're stuck at any point, get in touch.